How to add overlay in CapCut Desktop. Adding overlays in CapCut Desktop is super easy and helps you layer videos, images, stickers, or effects. So first of all, launch CapCut, click on the new project, then click the import button to bring in your main video and overlay media. So now once you have two videos available there, drag your main video to the first track on the timeline. Once you drag the video to the timeline, now all you have to do is drag the overlay file, either it is video, image, text or any, and drop it above the main video on a new track. This creates a multi-layered effect just like overlays. So now click on the video or images and drop it above. Now click on the overlay in the preview window and you can use your mouse to resize, drag corners and move it around to position it exactly where you want. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.